Hi YouTube friends, it's Lee here. Welcome to Junk Journal January for 2025. So this is an open challenge hosted by Meg from Meg Journals. There's a link to her channel in my video description box, and I'll be making a creation every day in my little journal here from the prompts that Meg has provided. Welcome to 28 sealed. I'm going to make some fake envelopes. Well, this is one that didn't go right to begin with, so this is my take 2 of sealed. And what I'm making is like a little fake envelope. So you just start off with a square of paper and cut it from corner to corner, so you've got a triangle. And then it's just a matter of bending in two of the sides, and then you've got your little top flap sticking up, which you can bend over if you like. They still hold things even though they're not proper envelopes, so I'm just using my mat as a guide to make sure that it's not lopsided. And so very easy. So bring over one corner, bring over the other, adjust it as you like, and you just glue the bottoms down. I'm using art-glitter glue to glue them together. Now I'm giving them a bit of an ink up with some vintage photo just to take the whiteness of that paper away. I'm also going through my collection of stamps. Some are digitals, some are real stamps, and I'm just going to decorate these little envelopes with a few bits and pieces. And here's my page, which looks a bit like a crime scene at the moment. I tore off what I'd originally put on there. I had to collage some book page over the page before I could put anything on it. It was too weakened from me pulling off the other stuff, so I wanted to strengthen the page a bit. I do only end up using 2 of these envelopes, and I just put them on the page in facing in opposite directions, opposite angles, just to make them look a little bit more quirky. And rummage around on my desk, find a bit of leftover stuff from the newspaper prompt, so I pop them on there. Got my trusty old Stabillo pencil. Bit of smudging around the edge, and then I remembered I had some stickers that might have worked for postage related things, and stuck a couple of them on. And then these are just little printables. Cross it off the list, and that's sealed, signed, sealed and delivered. Okay, so here's my completed page for sealed. So very simple today, making use of some of the things I've got around me and using leftovers from previous prompts. Reveal is the next one we're doing, and I hope to see you then. So happy creating and crafting. Hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo!